Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday and happy holidays! Maybe today you're busy cooking a festive meal, enjoying family time, and I hope you're having a great time. Maybe in all the craziness you'd like a little moment of zen. Well, you can create that. The holidays often are about sharing meals and there's a lot of food on the table. So before you overeat, choose something that's on the table and draw it. Now really take your time and look at your subject. In this case, it's a cookie I chose. Look at all the little bumps, the indents, the crumbs, the cracks, pieces of chocolate or decoration. And just let your eyes slowly follow all those minor shapes. Let your eyes guide your pen. Your pen follows, slow and steady, on the paper. You can even focus on just one bit of the cookie and draw all the little bits and pieces that you see. The longer you look, the more you see. This is not about drawing the cookie perfectly. It's not about finishing a piece of art. It's not about a perfect representation. It's about seeing, about slowing down. It's your creative moment of zen. It'll be quite the challenge to not eat it, but to draw it instead. But when you're done, then you can eat it as a reward for your moment of creativity. This is also a real fun exercise to do with others, scrutinizing that one cookie and focusing on all the small bits and pieces, the cracks and the crumbs. It'll be a collective meditation. You could then also take a few minutes to draw, then take a bite, start drawing the cookie again with the bite out of it. Then, after a few more minutes, someone else takes a bite, everyone starts drawing again, and so on, until there's nothing left to draw except for some crumbs left on the table. Whether you do this alone, with someone else, maybe with part of the family, I'd love to know how it goes. So if you do this exercise, please share it on any social media channel using the hashtag DTTInAction so we can see what you made. Enjoy the holidays! I'll see you next week. Bye.